Hey everyone, my name is Flora Thakkar and my topic for today is dashboards and data visualizations. A little bit about myself. I'm a graduate student at Mahalo College and I work as a data analyst at Marvel Semiconductors. My major is information systems. And let me tell you all that I'm very passionate about data and love how data analysis is changing the world in a very positive manner. My agenda for today is to talk about the three different visualization tools that I have been using since a very long time now, and the comparisons and insights that I will be making today are based on my personal experience and use. I will also show you some of my real work and conclude by finally giving my recommendation. Data analysis is an internal organizational function performed by data analysts that is more than merely presenting numbers and figures to management. Data analysis allows us to predict customer trends and behaviors. It increases business productivity and also drives effective decision making. Data visualization is a graphical representation of information and data. By using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps, data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in a data. It is very easy for us data analysts to understand the patterns by running statistical models on a dataset. But it is our duty to make the management and non-technical people understand the pattern behind them. So the end product that we make are the interactive dashboards. Now, what are dashboards? The collection of 3 or 4 more charts that display the information by giving you the opportunity to tweak and filter the data by providing checkboxes and other options, and in this way, making the information more interactive. Since it's a marketing class, I would like to give you a brief introduction. The first one that we have are bar charts. By the way, all the charts that I will be showing you henceforth are made by me. So bar charts are one of the most common data visualization tools. You can use them to quickly compare data across categories, highlight differences, show trends and outliers, and reveal historical highs and lows briefly. Bar charts are especially effective when you have data that can be split. The second type of graph that we have are line graphs. The line chart or a line graph connects several distinct data points, presenting them as one continuous evolution. We use line charts to view trends in data, usually over time, like stock price changes over 5 years or website page views for the month. The result is a simple, straightforward way to visualize changes in one value relative to another. The next type of chart that we have are scatter plots. Scatter plots are an effective way to investigate the relationship between different variables, showing if one variable is a good predictor of the another, or if they tend to change independently. A scatter plot presents a lots of distinct data points on a single chart. The chart can be then enhanced with analytics like cluster analysis or trend lines. The next type of graph that we have are tree maps. You can also call them heat maps. So heat map or a tree map relate different segments of your data to the whole. As the name of the chart suggests, each rectangle is a tree map is divided into smaller rectangles or sub-branches based on its proportion to the whole. They make efficient use of space to show percentage total for each category. The next type of chart that we have are pie charts. We all are familiar with this. Pie charts are powerful for adding detail to other visualizations. Alone, a pie chart doesn't give the viewer a way to quickly and accurately compare information. It has always been a topic of debate whether or not pie charts convey information correctly. So it is very wise to use them to drill down on the data and on other visualizations instead of making a pie chart the focus of your dashboard. The next type of chart that we have are bullet charts. With bullet charts, quickly compare progress against a goal. At its core, a bullet graph is a variation of a bar chart. Designed to replace dashboard gauges, meters, and thermometers, a bullet chart shows more information and provides more points of comparison while using less space. Because it doesn't display history, this chart is best suited for quick, how are we doing dashboards, rather than deep analysis. The next and the last type of chart that we have are maps. Maps are a no-brainer for visualizing any kind of location information, whether it's postal codes, state abbreviations, country names, or your own custom geocoding. If you have geographic information associated with your data, maps are a simple and compelling way to show how your location correlates with trends in your data. Now that you have understood the elements of the dashboard, let's get on to the data visualization tools that help us create these interactive dashboards. The very first data visualization tool that we will be discussing today is my personal favorite, TABLEAU. TABLEAU Desktop is a leading new generation business intelligence application which is also dubbed as a self-service data discovery tool as it can be used to achieve with almost no support from the IT staff. This product shines as a graphical tool or a visualization tool where you would have relied on various other tools and takes longer durations to represent the bar charts or the pie charts. There are two versions to this software tool. One is a desktop version and other is the TABLEAU public version. In the TABLEAU public version, you get to upload your dashboards and share your creativity with others. There are around 22 various types of charts that you can make using TABLEAU, like side-by-side circle view, line charts, dual line charts, area charts, scatter plot, histogram, Gantt charts, bullet graphs, etc. For students, TABLEAU Desktop also gives free license once you are verified as a student by uploading necessary proofs. It is a great way to learn for students since all the softwares have heavy pricing. There are also free tutorials of the TABLEAU software as to how to start using it, how to master charts, tips, and tricks for free. If you need to prep for the exams and get certified, there are additional paid videos which cost you just $10 a month, which is quite affordable for a student. Moving on to TABLEAU features and solutions. TABLEAU is focused on one thing, helping people see and understand data. Organizations everywhere, from nonprofits to global enterprises and across all industries and departments, are empowering their people with data. The very first feature that we have today is business dashboards. A good business dashboard informs with a glance. A great business dashboard combines high performance and ease of use to let anybody get data driven answers to their deeper questions. Dashboarding with TABLEAU allows even non technical users to create interactive, real time visualization in minutes. TABLEAU can connect to multiple data sources, providing new opportunities for discovering new insights hidden in your data. The next feature we would like to discuss is big data. Exploring and analyzing big data translates information into insight. However, the massive scale, growth, and variety of data are simply too much for traditional databases to handle. For this reason, businesses are running towards technologies such as Hadoop and NoSQL databases to meet the rapidly evolving data needs. TABLEAU lets you find that value in your company's data and existing investments in those technologies so that the company or any organization gets the most out of its data. The next feature is the smart analytics. Organizations are looking for new technologies that help people do more sophisticated analytics. TABLEAU gives them analytical capabilities that help anyone from data scientists to business users get to answer faster and uncover unanticipated insights through machine learning, statistics, natural language, and smart data prep. This survey analysis. It's easier than ever to perform surveys here, and just as easy to get buried in survey data. The TABLEAU, you can use TABLEAU to hear the voice of a customer coming through loud and clear. TABLEAU uses visual analysis as an interface to the data, which means anyone can investigate survey responses in depth and key statistical measures built in. You can also share the experiences with the colleagues in one single comprehensive and interactive report that tells the story from every angle and at every level of drill down. The next type of analysis is the time series analysis. Time series analysis is crucial to understanding your data. The ability to look forward and backward, to drill down from years to days, and see data trends over different periods of time is essential for the most comprehensive analysis. The last feature that I would like to discuss is the collaboration. Data analysis shouldn't be an isolating task. That's why TABLEAU is built for collaboration. Team members are able to share data, make follow-up queries, and forward easy-to-digest visualizations to others who could gain value from that data. It makes sure that everyone understands the data and is able to make informed decisions, as it is critical for success. The second visualization tool that I would like to mention today is the IBM Cognos. It was developed by Microsoft and it is a web based enterprise reporting solution. It simply means that you do not need to download any desktop or professional software for using this. You can simply log on to your Microsoft Azure account and start using the Cognos visualization tool. The ease of use is easy and it allows users to efficiently achieve their goals. It is secure and reliable. To further discuss the features of IBM Cognos, we would move forward to discussing about its key features. Moving on to our third data visualization is the Fusion Charts. It was developed in Bangalore, India. Fusion Charts was developed in the year 2002 and it has been downloaded over 1.4 million times by 750,000 developers worldwide. The Fusion Charts is an industry leader in enterprise-grade JavaScript charting components for web and enterprise applications. The software is based on JavaScript and has many interactive features. The features of Fusion Charts are as follows. The responsive layout. With smartphone, tablets, and plethora of other mobile devices becoming mainstream, users need information on the move, ushering in the trend to design dashboards that are responsive and adapt to the viewing media. Grid-based layout. Good use of white space, more dependency on typograph, and minimalist graphics of the metro layout ensures that the story is communicated in a clear and a concise manner. The second feature is the interactive feature. Capabilities like drilling down, zooming, directly editable charts, and reports that can be exported in multiple formats are opening up new possibilities for exploring the data. Sparkline. When real estate is an issue, sparklines and other word-sized charts help in providing a quick sense of historical context without consuming too much space. So sparklines are nothing but the lines or the trend lines that are formed based on the past data. Next, we have the trend lines and progress bars. They help answer questions like how far is the latest measure from achieving the target, or is the current measure better when compared to the previous one? It makes the data more meaningful and relevant for users. The last is location aware. Popularity of technologies like GPS, RFID, and other location aware wireless devices have led to the possibility of monitoring location based metrics. GPS powered mobile dashboards will also help prioritize information by geographic proximity. Having talked about TABLEAU, IBM Cognos, and Fusion Charts features, I would like to provide you a quick comparison between these three. When we compare about the product features, I personally give TABLEAU 5 stars and then to the IBM Cognos followed by Fusion stars, Charts. The main reason behind this is that TABLEAU Desktop makes it very easy to use and makes it very comfortable for users who are not explicitly data experts to explore the necessary data without any issues. Whereas IBM Cognos is a wholesome platform for data experts alone, as it is not that easy enough or simple enough for users with average skills to explore and learn the data. When it comes to Fusion Charts and TABLEAU, Fusion Charts lack in analytics and reporting. It does not provide content management. It does not provide simulation models, which are all a part of TABLEAU. So when it comes to product features, TABLEAU again wins. When we compare pricing, TABLEAU Desktop provides a free trial version for a month's usage to understand the power of the tool. Also, as I mentioned earlier, it provides free access to students or anyone who wants to learn upon the verification of their academic results. IBM Cognos and Fusion Charts do not allow free trials, and Fusion Charts also lacks annual subscription or a free trial. When you compare availability across platforms, Fusion Charts does not provide Android, iPhone, iPad connectivity. When it comes to IBM, it is a web-based tool, so it can be used by logging in. And when it comes to TABLEAU, it has several different products like TABLEAU Prep, TABLEAU Desktop, TABLEAU Public, and can be made available across all the platforms, ranging from Windows, Linux, Android, iPhone, iPad, Mac, and web-based. When it comes to prominent clients, Tableau has clients like Wells Fargo, Lufthansa, JP Morgan Chase, Siemens, Lenovo, Google, Tesla, etc. And Tableau also hosts free training videos, which makes very easy for a user or who is naive to Tableau understand it better. Whereas you wouldn't find the training videos on official websites of Microsoft, IBM, Cognos, or Fusion Charts. So my conclusion is that I personally love Tableau Dashboard a lot, and I even am a Tableau public author. And in the next slide, I will be attaching a short video of my personal work. And I would like to share my experience about Tableau is that even in my organization, when I perform as a data analyst, the requirements of the management team is that I show my end product or my end results in the form of an interactive dashboard. And you'll get to see in the next slide how efficient and effective it is to understand hundreds and millions of rows of data in just one single graph. And I'll also be providing my link to the Tableau author website below in the video description. And you can even click on that and go to the page and view my dashboards and my work. Okay, so yeah, my recommendation is Tableau Public Author. Okay, so this is my Tableau based interactive dashboard. So it helps you, the data set is all about the coffee chain supply. So it helps you analyze the profit and the sales in the United States, depending on the product type of coffee, espresso, herbal tea, or tea. So, for example, this is the line graph, this is the bar chart, and this is the horizontal bar chart that gives you the information when you hover over these lines. So, for example, if suppose I just want to select the central market and I press central, so you see the trends and the lines have changed. So, this is what an interactive dashboard does. It helps a management or a non technical user who is supposed to manage the company to provide them insights within just mere clicks of buttons. So, suppose if the manager of the company just wants to analyze how the coffee is performing. So, he or she can just go and click on coffee. So, once you click on coffee, it would provide you the trend, and you can clearly see that the months of May till the month of September are of the highest profits. Now, this may be due to vacation or the fall season, I'm not sure though enough, but here you can even compare state-wise, like how coffee is performing. And there's a quick sort button here. So if you click on them, it will show you the highest performing state or the highest coffee selling state at a glance. So by building these interactive dashboards, you can plug and play your data at real time and view the changes. Yeah, thank you. Hope you guys like the demonstration of the interactive dashboard, and I look forward to improvise every other day. Thank you very much. It had been pleasure discussing my work with all of you. Thank you so much.